In a major development, the Supreme Court on Monday directed civic authorities in Delhi and the NCR to immediately catch and sterilize stray dogs and relocate them permanently to shelters.
Happy Independence Day to you all and welcome back to another episode of आयुष कॉइनवर्स, जो कि अब बिल्कुल भी कंसिस्टेंट नहीं बचा है, बट स्टिल आज हम एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, द ऑर्डर विच सुप्रीम कोर्ट गेव ऑन स्ट्रे डॉग्स। इसमें हम लोग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखेंगे व्हाट्स माय पर्टिकुलर टेक ऑन इट, एंड हम लोग आर्ग्यूएबली जो भी ओपिनियंस आते हैं लाइक हाउ आर दे गेटिंग स्टेरिलाइज्ड और ये उनके नेचुरल हैबिटेट के अगेंस्ट है और समथिंग लाइक दैट। इन सारी चीज़ों को हम लोग एक जगह कलेक्टिवली स्टडी करेंगे एंड देन वी आर ऑल गोइंग टू गेट टू अ ओपिनियन, प्रोबेबली एन ओपिनियन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। So before I start giving any of my stance or opinion, I just want you all to know that I know some people who are really close to me and I do respect them. They are really sensitive towards this topic, so I'm not going to lean towards any extreme. We are just going through this topic as an educated civilian. So yeah, there was a reason I smiled here because something happened in behind the scenes. Okay, so let's start with the counter arguments. The first counter argument is like, we are treating dogs as Jews and we are just like the Nazi army. So quite the situation here is that activist को भी इसमें maybe arrest करा गया था, not arrested but maybe detained. So the point here is that we are just sterilizing and making sure that dogs are in the shelters, and people think that we are just taking away their freedom, which might be true, but the thing here is one part of the media might show you that dogs are very sensitive, loyal and playful, but we cannot ignore the other side that people have died due to dog attacks, which I am going to show you further in the video. So yeah, firstly हम ऐसा नहीं कह सकते that we are treating them rightfully, but on second stance we are not doing it like something a hypocrite thing or genocide. We're just trying to sterilize them or to control the population. And for those who don't know that dogs were not even actually originated in India. So yeah, that was my first counter argument. The second, कई लोगों ने ये चीज़ सुनी होगी, they would just say how would humans feel if they got sterilized. So for that, that's a pretty dumb argument you would put, at least for me. See, there are other ways that human can birth control, or there are several ways in fact, but for dogs we cannot control that, and that's really unfortunate, but that's the reality and we have to live with that. And that's why sterilizing them is really important. It's not like we are interfering with their life processes, and I have seen people who would just go that हम उनकी natural habitat और basically natural life को disturb कर रहे हैं. So those जो bio में कमज़ोर थे, I would like them to know that reproduction is not a life process. Instead, it's a process which helps to maintain a species. And actually इंडिया में इस time dogs बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. So moving to the conclusion point, see, what I believe that there are serious issues which needs to be treated in India. For example, ये जो वोट चोरी वाले cases हैं, then the misconduct of examination and several abducts and other situation which has not been treated in a good sense. So ये सारी situations हमारी priority होनी चाहिए, ना कि हम लोगों को rebel करना चाहिए against a law which is not exactly what do I say? It's not exactly wrong. We can support it and we should try to understand it in the favor of Supreme Court. I usually don't take any stance in support of the country, but this time I will stand with the court and with the country. So that's all for today's video. And तो ट्रेनिंग तो ख़त्म हो चुकी थी, but to make you more familiar with him, we decided to show his personal life. Actually, in Ayush personal life, there is nothing special to discuss, but Ayush एक social media influencer है who typically makes meme or videos on his skills or something like that. And today he posted his confirmation post for Two Town FC, और upcoming days में बाकी players के लिए भी आपको ये दिख जाएगा. And in this post he posted his a picture of him and one of his shot. So he is also on various other platforms like LinkedIn, and you can really follow him there because he writes some article and maybe you would love to know them. So here is his profile, and he also has a channel, and you must go and subscribe to Ayush Coinverse because Coinverse is our sponsors and we must follow or subscribe our sponsors. And those who are thinking that whether Ayush is going to run the club or not, maybe he was the founder, but definitely he is going to be a player here only. So this club is going to be run by the Two Town official.